Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your Miniclip account ID and password in 8-ball pool. This is useful if you want to secure your account or update your login details. So to begin, you just have to open your 8-ball pool game. So here you just have to log in into your account first if you haven't already. From the main screen, you just have to tap on your profile, then simply go to the settings of your game. In the settings, you just have to go to the manage account and look for the option of the game. There you are going to see the option of change password. So you just have to select that, enter your current password first, and then enter your new password to confirm it. Save the changes and update the password. To change your email ID, you need to find the change email option in the settings. Once you have found that, you just have to enter your email address and verify it using the code that is sent to your email. So once verified, your new ID will be updated for login. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.